Good afternoon everyone. So I'm here actually in a lovely little place called Slough and I have some free shows tomorrow, but I have arrived here, I've got a few hours, have a little look around the town and see what Slough has to offer. But first of all, I need to check myself in and I'm staying currently out to check in at the Travelodge here in the centre of Slough. Just need to get over this road, it looks pretty busy. Let's do this. Oh, here we go, we're in. Right, let's check into the Travelodge here in Slough. Hi mate, you alright? It's just to check in, yeah.
Is the last time, sir?
David, that's it, yeah.
Is it first time in this hotel?
I've stayed here before, yeah.
Welcome back, sir.
Thank you, no worries. I've got a few hours this evening. Is there anything to do in the area? Any recommendations?
Oh yeah, there's plenty. What you looking for?
I don't know, just I'm not from around here, so anything Slough based.
Okay, if you go somewhere for the sit and nice drink,
yeah.
it's Wetherspoons.
Okay, Wetherspoons, yeah.
And if you like to sit in our hotel, we have a nice bar 85 on first floor.
Okay, well,
there's
of course.
a telly as well. You can watch.
Yeah.
And you can drink and you take a food. There's also a menu here in your room as
yeah.
well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Or if you like to go Windsor, it's just 10 minutes from here.
Where is that, sorry? Oh, Windsor, right, okay, cool. Yeah, more posh food there.
I'm in the city.
Yeah, fair enough. I'm just working tomorrow, so yeah, I'm up early and whatnot, so probably just stay local.
If you early wake up, better you stay in our hotel bar 85. It's a nice place.
Nicer, yeah. Well, I might have a little, dump my bags and have a little look through the town area.
Oh, okay.
See what.
It's
See what.
multi-culti here, yeah?
It's what multi.
Culti.
Multi-culti, is that it? I've not heard multi-culti. I like that. That's a good one. Yeah, no, I get it. Yeah. Well, it's not.
That is good because if you prefer different foods, so you can find everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Get many delights, different foods. Lovely. Yeah, that's my 416.
416, please.
Excellent. Fantastic.
Just to the door, left and you left.
Lovely. Cheers. Thank you so much.
24 hours. If you need anything for your room, just come.
Lovely. Oh, I get a couple of extra milks. What's that? Sorry.
Milk and coffee.
Milk. Yeah, maybe just a little coffee. That. Yeah. Thank you.
Cafe.
I'll have normal coffee actually. Yeah.
Thank you.
Very kind of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Take care. So there you go. That's me checked in. Travelodge here in the centre of Slough. And they said that maybe stay in my room. No, they said to me stay in the hotel tonight. They said I could go out. They did say Wetherspoons, so I'm going to probably maybe give that a try later on. But yeah, I've never heard that before. Multi-culti. I like that. Multi-culti. I'm guessing that's a short and multicultural area. But yeah, reception staff are lovely. Right, here we go. Room 416. Good stuff. 414. Here we go, down here. 416 playing again. This is me. 416. So, classic Travelodge. What more do you want? Bed, comfy bed, TV, lovely view. Let's have a little look in the bathroom. Classic Travelodge. But what more do you want? I suppose I'm working here tomorrow, don't really care. I think the room was like £50 or something like that. So yeah, tea and coffee facilities here, and it's your classic Travelodge, just like all of the rest of them. Serve a purpose, TV, bathroom, rooms nice and clean. Happy days. Travelodge, right. I'm going to quickly freshen up and then I'm going to head into town, see what Slough has to offer. So that's me checked into my Travelodge. Now I'm just coming out, gonna have a little look around the town. I'm literally here right in the centre of Slough, so I'm gonna see what it has to offer. We're coming up to the High Street, and at the moment you can obviously see it's fairly busy, but yeah, first impressions is super busy, as you can imagine, being in the centre. And I believe Slough is it a city? I don't know, town, I'll have to find that. Right, we're coming into the main High Street now and show you guys the centre of Slough. Right, just off the High Street is this shopping centre, the Queensmere Shopping Centre, and this place looks like it's seen better days. It's shut down, but yeah. Right, well, first impressions is High Street. I mean, it's pretty rough, to be fair. Sorry to say that, but it does. I'm just being honest. There's quite a lot of businesses are shut and whatnot. And I think the only reason why I've got my camera out walking down the High Street is there's a 2-year-old Bill right behind me. So that's the only reason why I feel a bit safe. But other than that, I don't think I'd have my camera out here. But yeah, just being totally honest, there's literally just closed up venues everywhere. Here we go, more shops all shut down. It's quite sad to see, really, but that's it. Shops are all shut, alarms are going, police car. But yeah, other than that, nothing much to report back, really. So just come into one of the shopping centres that is actually open, and this looks a bit more lively, a bit more human. But yeah, let's have a little look around and see what's open in this shopping centre. Hi mate, you alright buddy? Yeah, I love good to see you. Think you like the Osmo camera? Cheers, man. No worries. So I've just come out of the Observatory shopping centre, now back on the High Street. It's come away from some of the, I suppose, the more mainstream shops you'd have on the High Street, and this is, I suppose, some more smaller businesses, restaurants, but it's mostly halal, meat, chicken shops, pizza, and I suppose Middle Eastern shops, etc. But yeah, this is it. This main High Street here in Slough. It's quite busy, to be fair. Oh yeah, let's get across here in one piece. Ooh. Hi mate. Yeah, good. So, in all respect, you would be forgiven to think that you're not actually in England, to be fair. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, who knows? But there's been many accents here that you could probably pick them up on the camera. Lots of shops, all different parts of the world. But yeah, as that woman said in reception, a multi-culti. That's what she said, and that's what it's proven to be. Lots of vape shops, chicken shops, and that's it. So there we have it, that's me, come to the end of the High Street in Slough, and it is, yeah, a bunch of shops, chicken shops, vape stores, and also sort of communities as well, selling their stuff. But I'm going to take the advice from the people from the Travelodge, and they told me where to go this evening, places to see, and that was it, Wetherspoons. So here I am. I'm going to go inside, get myself a bit of a drink, some food, and that's it. Here, Wetherspoons in Slough. Hi mate, I'm just passing by. What is the queue for?
Yeah, we're just giving out food for homeless or anybody that is in need of help.
Okay.
So basically we're here to serve every evening. We give them a food, a hot meal, drink, we've got crisps, chocolates, all sorts of things.
And it's just for only in the community?
Yeah, in the community.
Oh, and what?
Down on their luck, and
What funds it then? Is it the...
It's a charity organisation, the Sikh organisation today, tomorrow will be somebody else, all different people.
Okay, so what, every night there's a different sort of... Oh,
it's like a platform for everybody to come here and do this.
Yeah, that's really cool, man.
It's actually brilliant. They give you clothes, shoes, all sorts of pants, all sorts.
That's really nice to see. Is that everyone over there as well queuing for it? Or
They've all been done. It's about 150 people that come here.
150 people? Oh, wow.
There's a lot of people.
Oh, bless you, that's brilliant.
Yeah, man.
I'm not from around here, so I'm just working here tomorrow, and then that's it. Just thought I'd have a little look around, but that's really cool. Oh, I'm still up.
Tea and coffee and all sorts.
Oh, bless you, that's really nice, man. Take care. So I don't know if you heard that, but that was I'm just walking back to the Travelodge, and I just see a massive queue of people, and it's a Sikh community have got a van, and they're just serving hot food for anybody that wants it. And that was it. And there was a massive queue of people. Just goes to show you, here in these times where money's really tight, local religious groups coming together and putting food out for people that really need it. That was here, just on the high street here in Slough. But that's really cool to see, and restores your faith in humanity when you see things like that. And the person was really nice, bless him. The Sikh community serving public with food, tea, coffee and whatnot. That's really cool. Right, so that's me back in the room. My time in Slough has come to an end. Honestly, well, you saw what it was. I didn't feel like I really wanted to chat to many people. Walking down the high street, I felt like I was a bit of an alien, or at least in a place that I do not recognise. Now, here's the thing, I didn't feel threatened at any point from anybody, but I just felt like I didn't want to walk off the beaten track and walk around and explore. You know, I actually felt like I was in a different country. I honestly did. That's how I felt. And as I said, nobody made me feel threatened, didn't have a crossword with anybody, but exploring, walking around, chatting to people, just didn't feel like that's what I wanted to do when I was here. But that's me just being honest. Usually I like to have a chat with people, find out about the place, but that just didn't feel like a thing I wanted to do whilst I was here. But that's it, my time in Slough, I'm sure, is a beautiful place and there's loads of things to see. I don't know, have you been here before? If you have, put a comment on there. I'll be back here, no doubt, performing my shows, and I'll go and check those places out. But I ended up going to Wetherspoons. I ended up chickening out, bottled it. I didn't want to go around and explore. I wanted to just stick to what I know and stay safe and follow the advice from the staff at the Travelodge, which they said to me, go to Wetherspoons. So anyway, that's it. It's come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be exploring other towns when I'm out there performing my shows. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next town. Thank you.